Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we have another BattlBox unboxing. So let's get started. So this month we have Mission 101. So, we got a bunch of goodies, so let's move this off to the side. So the first item in the box is Afterbite Natural Itch Relieving Cream and Balm. Good for biting flies, mosquitoes, fire ants, and bees. It's all natural with oatmeal and camphor. So that'll be handy this summer. Next item I see are these Infinity Tools by Modal. This time it comes with a variety of different lengths, which is cool. They're always great to have some straps around to tighten things down, both camping, on the trail, and just around the house. If I remember correctly, they've got a fairly large capacity for weight. It doesn't say here on the strings. I will look that up and post that down here in the video. So, next item up here is the body armor vent. This is a 12 by 10. It's a pack vent. So basically you attach this to your backpack to help create space between your body and backpack to help create ventilation. I've heard of these. Something I'd be interested in checking out. For the next item, so that is everything in the basic box. That is the Afterbite Natural Balm, the Infinity Modal Tools, and the Body Armor Pack Vent. So in the advanced box, we have a Balta Compact Hatchet Rugged Tool Fire Building Tool. This is hefty. There is some definite weight to it. It's got a stake puller here at the bottom. It's got a hammer head here on the side, which is bolted on, so I guess you can remove it if you need to. There's a nice sheath there. Let's see if it's got any other stuff. It's a full tang, which is nice. The grip is textured, so I don't imagine I'm going to lose grip on it. Here we go. Blade length 2.25 inches, 89 millimeters. Length 9.5 inches, 241. 22 ounces or 623.7 grams. It's made of 420 stainless and it is a stonewash finish. It comes with its own belt clip, which is nice. You know, I'm familiar with Gearaid. I have had good luck with their gear in the past, so I can't wait to get this out and try it at camp. I will add it to my hatchet set. So, and the last item in the box is for the Pro Box series, and this is a Ruckin' River backpack. So, let me get this unwrapped real quick. Pardon the plastic. Wow. And again, this is a very cool pack. It is the Ruckin' River DEFCON 5. It's got some MOLLE here on the front and on the sides. It's got some nice compression straps. These buckles feel really sturdy. We've got some really nice zippers on this as well. Alright, this is a deceptively big bag. There is some straps here in the inside for strapping down anything you might put on the inside. It's got a really hefty handle here at the top. Got really, really nice straps. Obviously, it's got an adjustable chest strap. Let's see. Is this a back? No, this is not a back panel. This is an expandable panel, and that appears to expand between 4 and 5 inches to, I'm going to guess, expand the capacity of the bag, like what you do with your luggage. So, like I said, this bag appears to be deceptively big. Got another front pouch here. Got a mesh pocket. And then the front one here. Oh, okay. So we've got 2 pockets here. Got another mesh pocket. We have a zippered mesh pocket. And then you've got your key strap. Oh, and a third pocket here on the side. So this is the Ruckin' River. They're calling it a Yona backpack. It's all made of 600D polyester fabric. Wow, this thing is 65-liter capacity. The shoulder straps go from 13 inches to 8. Yeah, I will have to do some more testing in the field of this bag, but man, what a great little bag. So let's review. The Pro box today came with the Bug Bite, the modal straps, the Balta Gear Aid hatchet, the Gear Aid body vent, and then this Ruckin' River Yona pack. So until next time, thank you very much, and see you on trail.